Alright, we're at 56 pounds. Thing don't even weigh a pound. And it's holding 56 pounds right there. Now we're at 72 pounds. And it's still holding. So. I'm out here cutting some strips up for some research testing here. My bandsaw is not finished. I have to do some 3D printing parts and still modify it. So this is how I've been doing it up until now, using this cutter. Right here I'm just gluing up with my special blend. It's 50% PVA glue, 25% water, and 25% alcohol. And I'm just making the little I-beam for testing and putting little weights on there to let it glue up and set while it dries. And just a little, yeah. Hi everybody in YouTube land. I'm out here again with some high-tech cardboard technology. This is an I-beam. I-beam. Like a laser beam. Anyway, so the other day I took some cardboard and cut little strips and I pieced them together to make an I-beam, and fucking hard as shit. Could probably make a hammer out of this almost. But this only weighs about I don't know, 0.6 of a pound. And we're gonna go out in the garage here in a minute to try to do some testing. So where did I fucking put that shit? God damn. You gotta make a modification to the little dirt bench out in the garage. So I gotta cut this piece of wood here. That worked out great. It's okay, the more unexact the better. Good. 2 pieces, and we'll cut it exactly there. Did it again. Didn't adjust my blade like a dumbass. Fucking dumbass. Alright, I'm an untrained professional, okay? So, I know how not to do this, okay? So I need these 2 pieces. And this piece here is going to give this a fighting chance out in the garage. So I want to put a rope around here and then apply a force, and we're going to see what it is. One thing about cardboard is you got to realize it's more than just paper. It's the machining that goes into it. There's really expensive machinery of like hundreds of dollars at least. Probably millions. And to make all this stuff happen, all these flutes and corrugations and all that stuff. So it keeps it very consistent. So you get to leverage somebody else's investment into recycling cardboard. So what I'm going to do here, I don't know if this goes well over the video, something like this, and then yeah, so you get the idea. Oh man, good thing you don't get to smell that through the TV or the phone or wherever the fuck you're watching it on. We're back. So what we got here is the dirt bench, my OG dirt bench, destructive engineering research process. And This is what I've been using for my clips. I've been doing torture testing on these things to make sure it can hold 2 liters all day long, and it can. So we got to modify this to be able to have this in here. We got to put this down below here, and then I'll show you why I cut those pieces here in a second here. Take this thing off here. Bitch ain't coming off. We'll get it off though. If it looks like a hammer, it's a hammer. That's how that works. Get in there. Alright. Get that. The piece is going to go up here. And we're going to crank on it. And you'll see here in a minute. 3,000 kilojam crane scale. So way overkill. I think it's like 3 tons. Where the fuck 3,000 kg is. You figure it out. Look up Dyneema. It's fucking strong ass shit. It's way lighter than steel, but it's stronger than steel. This has like pretty much no stretch at all for what it is. I think this has 1,200 pound tensile strength or something like that. Well, more than what we needed for today. So, now you can see both things going on at once. Alright, now it's on the hold maximum breeding setting. Kind of important. Alright, we're at 56 pounds. Thing don't even weigh a pound. And it's holding 56 pounds right there. Now we're at 72 pounds. And it's still holding. So, just cardboard. 86 pounds. It's starting to deform up there a little bit. We're at 94 pounds. 116 pounds. Starting to kind of cam off the side here. Try to make sure the forces go straight down, not sideways. We're at 120 pounds right now. And she's still holding pretty good. We're at 134 right now. $136, still holding. $138. The knots are holding up okay. $146. See if you can see that okay. $156. $170 pounds. Bitch is taut. I'm just holding it, trying to keep it vertical here with my hand here. I'm just trying to keep it vertical. It says 192. And we don't got much more room before this thing maxes out down here. I think my cable is it's digging into the thing up there. So I mean, I guess you can call it failed.